Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on an Epson WorkForce WF-2840. This is nice and simple. If we're done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel, you can see on the front of the printer. Now, although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all of the button presses I do very clear, so you can use this video for changing the printer from whatever language your printer is in to whichever language you desire. So, we need to be on the home screen of the printer. If you're not on a screen that looks like this, press the home button, you should be taken here. Then we're going to press right a couple times, 2, 3 times until settings is selected, which is represented with this little cog you can see here. Press OK to go into that. We need to take ourselves along to printer setup. So we press once, twice, we've got printer setup, option 3 of 13. Press OK to go into that. Then we need to move ourselves along to the language. So once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, which takes us along to option 7 out of 12. Press OK to go into language. And here we have a list of all the different languages your printer can be used in. English is pretty close to the top. Just press up to go to there. But you can see the rough position with a little line there. Once you have the language you desire selected, press OK, and you're done. If this video has been useful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.